Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix no signal issue in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now click on reset network settings and then click on reset. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.